Good morning. Another day, another travel vlog. It's 6:30 in the morning, and today is, I don't remember what date it is. It is Friday actually, but I don't remember the date. But we are gonna go. No, we are going to Chicago.
Guys, we manifested this एक महीना पहले exactly.
Yeah.
और हम ऐसे बात कर रहे थे कि हम शिकागो एयरपोर्ट पे हैं, why can't we just go out? So now we're going out.
Yeah, guys, if you remember my Thailand airport vlog, you must have seen that that scene where we were at Chicago airport, and I said that why are we not going outside? I wish हमारा layover होता, हम बाहर जाते and all, and here we are today. Last night we were just sitting randomly, Prerna, I and Dev, and हमारा random plan बना, let's go to Chicago, and I called Isha. I was like, should we go to Chicago? And Isha and Siddhant ने instantly yes कर दिया, and we were like, let's go. And अभी like in less than 12 hours we are all packed, and this is the bag that I'm carrying, and we are just going to Chicago. Wow, I mean, I love this life. I manifested this life. Yes, we are road tripping. हम by car जा रहे हैं. It's 8 to 9 hours drive from here, so it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable. So basically, let me tell you, we are in Toronto right now. We are gonna go to Windsor. So Toronto to Windsor is 4 to 5 hours, and then after Windsor, हम सब एक कार में जाने वाले. We have rented a big car, and हम एक कार में जाएंगे from Windsor to Chicago, and we are gonna cross the borders by land. Yeah, we are gonna cross the borders by land. So I am pretty excited for it because that's the first time I'm gonna do it. So yeah, I'm excited and nervous because like when it comes to US thingy, how things work, but that's okay. That's our ride to Windsor, and it's gonna be a little uncomfortable. बोला भी नहीं जा रहा है इतनी सुबह. Good morning, Dev. Oh, Prerna, oh my god. सुबह के 7:30 बजे.
मुझे मत लो भाई उसी में रखो.
क्यों?
रैंडम ले लूंगा ना, ऐसे हाथ पे अच्छा नहीं लगता.
बोल ये लड़का कौन है? हाय बोलो. कैमरा loves me. वो मेरे शक्ल से हटना ही नहीं चाहता है.
Yes, that's my current favorite coffee.
ऐसे लग रहा है.
Guys, we have taken a break. हम on route पे आए हैं, and अभी I am way too tired, sleepy. मेरे को headache हो रहा है. Like all the things together, मेरे को सब कुछ हो रहा है साथ में. And the car is like not comfortable at all, but we are managing. तो yeah, I mean, I think कि मेरे को कुछ खाना चाहिए. मैंने इतना कुछ खाया नहीं. I just had like coffee and one hash brown, thinking कि मेरे को Indian खाने का मन है, तो I would have something like that. But then Prerna and they were not having anything with me, so I might take anything, like something to eat. It's just like almost 1 घंटा अभी बचा है विंसर के लिए, and then after that हम पहुँच जाएंगे, and it's almost 9 a.m. तो like by 10:30 we'll reach Windsor, and then वहाँ से हम निकलेंगे और 1 घंटे में. So by 11 or 12 we'll leave for the States. So let's go. आगे तो तेरे हाथ आगे नहीं आ रहे. 20 minutes.
But it's actually fun. That's what
Guys, we are in Windsor. Woo! Are you excited? Are you excited?
Yeah, but not too much. अभी मैं tired हूँ, तो मेरी excitement वहाँ जाके होगी.
ठीक है, अभी सब एक्साइटेड करा देंगे. और देखो आगे कॉर्पोरेट मजदूर ट्रिप ख़राब करने हमारी. Guys, after a really long break, we are finally leaving, and I am tired. I'm just tired. I feel kind of weird. I think I have like a little bit of headache, but yeah, I mean the temperature here is really good. Not sure about Chicago though. It's gonna be gloomy and rainy, but in Windsor it's really nice. And yeah, let's go. I'm kind of nervous because मैं first time US border cross कर रही हूँ.
मेरे को हाय बोलोगे प्लीज? Hello YouTube, please subscribe.
Sabasakarai.
Hello guys.
We have entered States.
We are officially in the States right now and immigration पे हमें इतना time लगा.
Oh my god.
हमें 2 घंटे लगे immigration पे only because हम 4 लोगों के पास already हमारे passports थे Canadian या फिर हमारे पास I-94s थे already.
I-94 is basically a stamp.
Like a
that
US
allows you
immigration
to-
stamp.
That allows you to enter the States by the through the road. है ना?
By land for like 6 months. So
Yeah.
you just pay once then you're good for like 6 months. But वो process कराते कराते हम लोग को almost 1-1.5 घंटा लग गया and now it's what? It's 2:45 like it's already 3 p.m.
और हम अभी भी यहीं पे ही हैं. So Chicago is another 5-6 hours. So I think आज रात को तो हम बहुत लेट पहुंचने वाले हैं.
How are you feeling, Dave?
हम गए पहले मैं
यार it feels like कि बहुत लंबा हो गया यार already.
Like we have
हम सुबह 6 बजे से
we've had a
निकले हुए
long
हैं.
day, yeah.
अभी
Like
तक तो हम एक्चुअली शिकागो पहुंच गए होते अगर हमने बीच में इतना बड़ा स्टॉप नहीं
we were targeting कि हम लोग शिकागो पहुंच जाएंगे 4 बजे तक, but it is what it is. I'll show you out थोड़ा सा. अभी हम जा रहे हैं अपनी कार रेंटल लेने क्योंकि we're changing cars and then we'll park हमारी वाली existing car क्योंकि थोड़ी compact सी है. We're getting SUV. But yeah, it's a very sunny day, so at least that's nice.
I'll see you guys when I eat something because I'm hungry.
पिछले वाले में
ट्रिप शुरू हुई नहीं कि प्रेरणा के नशे शुरू हो गए.
क्या हाल है?
It's a
But this is-
spiked sparkling water with a hint of mango.
Yeah, but this is good.
This is the closest I could get to Helen, no?
Right, but this is good, guys.
$5 की एक 2 hours away from our location.
एक ही
हम
दो
पूरा
है
दिन से
भाई।
बाहर निकले हुए हैं and it's almost उसने बोला वो
वो
7
great
p.m.
है।
now. Finally, hi from Chicago, and we are here. Let me show you the cute loft that we are gonna stay in for 2 nights. It looks like this, and it's very tiny and cute, but like it fits 6 people, and we are 5, so that's a plus point. And this is how the lane looks like. Let's go inside and see how it looks. I know it's pretty cozy, I believe. Wait, I'll show you. It's like this. I mean, it's tiny and cute. Nice. Ah, look at that. Oh, that's a bed, and that's the other one. Nice. I think that's the washroom, and let's see what this is. This is a shaft types, and then I believe this is another washroom. No,
ये वाला वॉशरूम खोल के दिखा.
प्रेरणा है ना उसमें. लॉक नहीं है. लॉक नहीं है. We are all ready, and right now we are going out to eat something. And also, guys, there's a literal like storm warning right now. बाहर का weather, it's getting worse, like minute by minute. बहुत ज़्यादा. It's very windy, and it's like almost around 9 p.m. It's gonna start to rain. And I don't know how it's gonna work because कल भी it says that it's gonna be rainy and everything, but it's okay. I mean, we don't have any other plan apart from this, so let's go. Guys, we are here at it's what? I don't know. It's a very famous pizza spot here.
It's Giordano's.
वही जो ईशा ने बोला.
Giordano's, guys, it's like really famous over here. So we are here to have the famous Chicago pizza. And we got the reservation so fast, which we are really excited for. Can't wait to have it.
I'm hungry. So bad. What? Crow. आपको तो ऐड में होना चाहिए था. How's it? Oh wait. Prina literally struggled for 2 minutes. That's gonna be 1,000 calories, ma'am. It's raining and we cannot afford to let our hair go bad, so this is what we this is the jugaad that we came up with. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Such a fancy drink. Show. Yeah.
Give me, show me.
Give me, show me.
Wow.
Guys, पूरी alley में सबको रुकवा लिया just to click a picture for us. We are going out. We are bar hopping actually today, and अब देखते हैं. हमें शिकागो की हवा नहीं, वो रह गया जस्ट. हमें शिकागो की हवा कहाँ लेके जाएगी अब? Let's see. It's still raining. So beautiful. Look at that. And that is the Chicago sign. Let's go. The weather right now is amazing. And it's windy, but it feels so good right now. It's 1 a.m. and we are still on the streets. We are exploring and looking at this beautiful view. I love it. Oh my god!
Check karo.
What is this weather? Oh my god! Love it! Hi guys, good morning. It is day 2 in Chicago and we are all set. We are all ready. We are going out to have some breakfast and currently it is, wait, I'll show you. It is 9:27 a.m. I can't believe हम इतनी सुबह बाहर निकल गए. ज़्यादा सुबह है नहीं वैसे तो.
आप कल बोलो या आप 6 बजे बाहर निकलो.
Yes, and we are planning. हम कल वापस जा रहे हैं टोरंटो, तो we will leave Chicago around 12 I believe, या उससे भी पहला, I'm not sure. तो we are thinking कि हम सुबह 6 a.m. उठ के सनराइज देखें and थोड़ा सिटी घूमें because we have the car, so we have that privilege कि हम पूरा घूम सकते हैं. So yeah, let's go. I'm hungry. Brave, say hi. थोड़ी दिक्कत हो रही है इस बारी गाड़ी चलाने में. मुझे लग रहा है शी इज़ आउट ऑफ प्रैक्टिस.
कुछ भी.
मैंने थोड़ी बहुत गलतियाँ करी हैं. कल प्रेरणा ने बेचारा जानवर उड़ा दिया गाड़ी से.
उड़ा हुआ जानवर के ऊपर चढ़ा दी.
या दैट वाज सैड. हमने 2-3 मोन किया 2-3 बारी. We are going to a breakfast place called Wild Berry and let me show you ये कितना ज़्यादा crowded है. लोगों ने इतनी बाहर भीड़ लगा रखी है. I'm not sure अगर हमें यहाँ पे मिलेगी आज रिजर्वेशन की नहीं, but I am pretty sure that it's very famous because ये इतना busy है तो. And it's kind of cold today, so I am all packed up. Let me show you the place. Look at that. It's so crowded. अंदर भी पूरा packed है. Nice. We are still waiting and I'm hungry.
एक बार थोड़ा बैठ के सारे प्लान.
It's almost, हमें आए हुए यहाँ पे 1 hour 10 minutes हो चुके हैं and we are still waiting outside. All because ईशान, सिद्धांत, आइनी and उन्होंने, हम उनका 1 घंटे से वेट कर रहे हैं. और यहाँ पे it's not allowed कि if you have booked table for 5, like all the 5 people have to be present, otherwise they won't give us a table inside and we are still waiting outside. I'm hungry. I'm gonna see you after I have my breakfast.
मैंने दूसरे वाले
You want the cream?
Are right in front of the Wild Berry breakfast place that we went to, and then यहाँ पे सामने ही एकदम the Bean है. Basically it's like a very famous touristy spot here in Chicago. It's sunny Saturday, so I'm pretty sure we won't be able to get good pictures here because it's too crowded, but we'll see. I genuinely thought कि ये इससे तो बड़ा होएगा. Like it looks much bigger in the picture. आउट ऑन अ स्ट्रोल. हम पूरा सिटी देख रहे हैं. ये हम बस वॉक कर रहे हैं एंड वी आर एक्सप्लोरिंग एवरीथिंग हियर. वी आर राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ, कहाँ गया, येस, दैट ट्रम्प टावर. एंड देन यहाँ पे डेविल वेयर्स प्राडा का प्रमोशन चल रहा है. नॉट प्रमोशन बट लाइक या पॉपअप है, व्हाटएवर. वी आर एट अल्टा ब्यूटी. कुछ भी नहीं लेना है, बस टाइम पास के लिए हम आ गए हैं. आई बिलीव, पता नहीं क्यों, मतलब यहाँ पे ट्रेडर जोस भी है, यहाँ पे टारगेट भी है, सब कुछ है. बट आई बिलीव लाइक सब कुछ कनाडा में मिलता है. तो हम एक दिन के लिए आए तो हम टाइम वेस्ट ना करें इन सब चीज़ों में. तो इसलिए हम हाँ नहीं जा रहे हैं. अदरवाइज अगर मेरे पास टाइम होता तो फर्स्ट श्योर मैं टारगेट वगैरह एक्सप्लोर करती, मैं घूमती. बट इट्स ओके. गाइस, हम लेक साइड आ चुके हैं एंड वी हैव बुक्ड अ क्रूज बोट, व्हाटएवर इट इज़, फॉर द साइट सीइंग. आई शो यू. हम इस वाली बोट में जाने वाले हैं इन अनदर 15 minutes एंड इट्स गोना टेक अस टू दैट साइड एंड पूरा ये साइट सीइंग करेंगे हम. इट्स गोना बी 75 minutes long. एंड हाउ मच डिड वी पे फॉर द टिकट? We paid almost $80 Canadian per person for this one. And yeah, I hope it's gonna be good. Like the weather is nice but it's so windy.
Influences in the wild, guys.
The equipment is for emergency purposes only. Please don't tamper with it.
Love my life.
If we do need to use it, please give us room to operate, follow directions, and back to the stairway left-hand side of the boat, all the way. There's ice cold bottles of water.
Offices, a theater, a bowling alley, and an ice.
Guys, हमारी ये boat ride, river walk, whatever, it's about to end. And basically इसके अंदर इन्होंने हमें पूरा ही river walk पे लेके गए हैं. Like the south side, the north side and every side. And वहाँ पे they were like the host, she was telling us about all the buildings and the architecture here. And काफ़ी अच्छा था. Like we got to know all the stories behind all the architecture and कब बना था, कैसे बना था, and everything about it. So that was like really, that's the whole skyline. I mean, guys, my gimbal was stuck. I mean, no, it wasn't stuck. एकदम फिर से hands free हो गया था मेरा gimbal and it took 3 people उसको ठीक करने में. And finally it's back to normal. I was shit scared. मेरे को लगा आज तो मेरा gimbal गया, but here we are. इसका कैमरा भी थोड़ा गंदा, but I'm just, we are all ready for the nth number of time. And अभी हम जा रहे हैं London House. It's a very popular bar over here. So we are going there and I am not taking my camera along with me because भाई बड़ी ख़राब हो चुका है. I cannot risk it again. I'm gonna vlog from my phone and I am not sure how much I'm gonna vlog, but yeah, let's see. And also Nana is also joining us. She is already in Chicago. She's gonna leave tomorrow morning and so are we leaving. Like so are we. We are also leaving tomorrow, but she was already here. So हम मिल रहे हैं finally. And yeah, let's go. I hope it's gonna be a fun night. I need to clean the camera. Ananya, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Hi guys.
Are unfiltered. Unfiltered.
It's for my Instagram.
Oh, vlog का क्या है?
YouTube.
What's the name for the vlog?
Riddhi Mehta.
RM Vlogs. RM Vlogs. Welcome to RM Vlogs. मेरे को देखते देखते तो शिकागो आ गए.
Yes, हमें फोमो हो रहा था. अनन्या ने इतनी ज़्यादा स्टोरीज डाली Instagram पे, स्पैम कर दिया पूरा.
अनन्या की स्टोरी डालती हुई मेरा मन कर गया.
अनन्या को चढ़ी है.
I'm completely fine.
ब्रो, तुझे अगर ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे ज्यादा नशे हैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं.
नहीं, हमने तो बोला ही नहीं. इसके बहुत ज्यादा है.